Hey guys, Dustin here. In this video, I'm showing you how to add a virtual screen to your videos using Premiere Pro. It's super easy and it only takes about 10 minutes. I think it's a great way to make your tutorial and presentation style videos more dynamic. Let's get into it. Before we get into the software part of this tutorial, I wanted to point out that this effect works best when the subject speaking is framed on the left or right side, not centered. You want to leave space for the screen. Once you import your footage, you're ready to overlay your screen recording, or whatever your secondary video is, on top of your talking head segment. Easy enough, just drag it to the layer above. To really make this effect look cool though, I recommend applying the basic 3D effect and using the swivel control to position it somewhere interesting in your frame. Play around with the sizing and position until you're happy with where it sits. If there's something specific you want people to be able to read in the overlay, keep an eye on it as you go. The swivel compresses whatever edge is angled away from the camera, so it's worth positioning the important stuff toward the near side. This effect is really about emphasizing depth, and not seeming like it was simply dropped on top. To further achieve that, I want some overlap between the subject, me, and the screen. To do this, I'm going to copy my V1 layer and paste it above my screen recording. Then I'm going to use the Object Mask tool to select myself, and assign that mask to opacity. Since I'm a moving subject, I'll need to track the mask for the duration of the shot. For this particular shot, I also added a border to the overlay using the pen tool, just to help it stand out from the background a little. Believe it or not, that's it. I encourage you to experiment with the concept, and let me know if you have other ideas for how to use this in videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.